With the weather quickly changing, we decided to go outside and soak up the last little bit of summer with a little fire pit, some s'mores, and some good old family time.
I would wait a million lonely hours, trying to win your heart, trying to get to where you are. And I would live a million lonely lifetimes if I knew I could get back to you. Yeah, I just wanna get back to you.
I got the most beautiful package delivered at my door and I am just so obsessed. So I love warming up my all white kitchen with vintage cutting boards. Nothing says cozier to me than a vintage cutting board. Eventually we want to redo the whole backsplash and remove the uppers and just have stone, but in the meantime this is how I'm opting to warm up my all white kitchen and I love them so much. I decided that I wanted to do a vintage cutting board wall. Next up, we are pretty busy around the house as of late, and we decided to buy another olive tree. You guys, I'm kind of worried about what this property is going to look like when all of these trees grow. I don't think we're ever going to be able to see the sun. Like, that's how many olive trees we have planted on this property, but you know what? I'm not mad at it. But honestly, we needed this one. Remember a few videos back when I showed you right here that I wanted the 6 olive trees, 3 on each side. So we just went in and bought another one because, you know, they're kind of spendy. So we buy them, you know, little at a time. And so Chris and Willow decided to just get to digging and planting, and the vision is just slowly coming to life. I then wanted to reshare this vintage pot lamp DIY with you guys in case you guys didn't watch my last video. Some people aren't into Halloween decor, and I wanted to make sure that those people who aren't into Halloween decor, so they skipped that video, didn't skip this video because it is so cute. This kitchen lamp is seriously a game changer. Next up, I saw this cute DIY on Instagram and I knew I needed to try it. I went to the store and bought these 2 little pumpkins. This whole DIY cost $3 and it is by far probably my favorite fall DIY. So the first thing that I did was just cut off the top of the pumpkin. Next, you're going to grab these candles from the dollar store. They are, I believe, $1.25, and I'm just going to heat it on the stove. While the wax is melting down, I then went and removed all of the seeds and guts from the pumpkins, and then I ended up putting them on a little bit of parchment paper because I decided to have pumpkin seeds a little bit early in the season, and you know what? I was not mad about it. After that, I ended up grabbing wicks that I already had. I ordered a bunch of these off of Amazon a long time ago. I'll be sure to link them down below. But I ended up just putting the wicks in the pumpkins, and it really was kind of hard for them to stay in the middle. So you'll see later that I ended up using chopsticks to hold them in place. Once the wax is completely melted, I removed it from the stove and brought it over to where my pumpkins were. This, I was trying to be very careful because it was so hot, but honestly, the little glass container that the candle was in was the most perfect grip, so I felt like I had a really good handle of it. And then I just poured it in to fill up the pumpkin, and you guys, I cannot wait to show you how cute this DIY is. It is probably my favorite fall DIY. And then we had a milestone birthday in our household. Our lab, Yogi, turned 16 years old, so we celebrated all weekend long. Me and Willow found this super cute dog cake on Amazon. We got to baking. Willow actually is becoming quite the baker herself. We pulled it out of the oven. She then made the frosting, and then she didn't just stop there. After she was done applying the frosting, she thought that he deserved sprinkles, and who am I to tell her no? We then decided to add sweet 16 candles to the top of the cake. All right, you guys, now let's go see if he loves his birthday cake. Our celebration didn't end there. The rain started to fall. You guys know I'm obsessed, and it turned into the coziest afternoon at home. The sound of the raindrops hitting the windows, the soft gray light, the warmth of the fireplace made everything truly feel so calm and peaceful. I don't know what it is, but there's something so special about those slow rainy days where time just seems to pause a little bit, just soaking up the simple moments that make home feel extra special and extra warm. But as the rain let up, me and Bubba decided to go out for a little coffee date. We got stopped by the train rolling by, so we decided to get out of the car and take a closer peek. Now let's head home.
All right, so I ended up getting a package delivered and I wanted to unbox it with you guys here on camera. And this year I am really trying to vow to myself to not spend like an obscene amount of money. So this might be my only Christmas purchase this year because I don't know, I really want to enjoy the season. I don't want to, or like the holidays, I don't want to like rush anything. Like last year I was decorating for Christmas in October to get like Christmas content out, and by the time like December came, I wanted to take everything down. And so this year I vowed to myself that I am not doing that and that I am only going to decorate when the seasons change, and I want to enjoy it. But with that being said, I did notice that McGee & Co. did drop their Christmas line. So of course I had to take a peek, and I saw two things that I really needed, and I think this is going to be it for the season. Now, don't say never. I might get out of my funk and I might just start adding stuff to cart and checking out, and then at that time I would of course share it with you guys. But I hope these things I absolutely love. Also, you guys know that my dog Yogi, he just turned 16. You guys saw us make his little birthday cake. That was about like a month ago. I've been a little bit slow on YouTube, and that's not intentionally. It's just he is so old, but I feel like still has like some life left into him. You know, he has such bad separation anxiety, and he's had that his whole life. And I feel like it's getting worse now that he's older, and he has like really good days, and then he has like really bad days where I think that, oh my gosh, it's time. And then like the next day he is like up walking around with his shoes and like doing all of the things. So I feel like I've been on such an emotional roller coaster with him. Like I feel like I can't really plan anything. I don't want to like leave for long periods of time because he needs help getting up. So I feel like I'm really needing to be there for him, and he loses his mind if I get off the couch. So I've literally been on the couch for almost a month now, since he like really hasn't been able to like get up on his own. But once he gets up, then he walks and he's totally fine. But I'm telling you guys all of this is because I have so many things that I need to do. But when I get up off the couch, he freaks. And so I feel like because I don't know how much longer he has, I want to make sure that he's comfortable. I want to make sure that, you know, he's still happy, and everything else can be put on the back burner. So if it's taking me a lot longer to put out videos, it's because I am not able to do everything that I want to do because I'm tending to my senior dog. That's what we're going to do. So if you guys are wondering where my video is and that I'm not doing anything at home, that's why. I'm probably on the couch. But so let's see what is in this package now that I have been rambling. Oh, it's actually so cute. So I really love styling. I'm sure you guys see this like very specific corner in my kitchen. And when I saw these, this is exactly, oh my God, I love it. This is exactly why I knew that I needed to add this to cart, because it's good. Oh my God. Like, how cute is this for Christmas? And honestly, like, it could almost be kept out year round. I feel like it's really, really super cute. And like the terracotta pot is really, really, really cute. I love, we'll just put this here so you guys can see. Wait, oh, that's actually really cute. Okay, so yeah, tell me, are you guys shopping already for Christmas? Are you guys still in full fall mode? What's going on? I feel like I haven't sat down and chatted with you guys in a while. I've been doing like so much on our backyard. So yeah, we do have a couple things that are like really fun coming up. We're doing family photos in Bodega Bay next weekend, so I thought I'd bring you guys along for that. Okay, this one is super cute too. So I saw these styled together on McGee & Co. My plan was to style both of these somehow together. I really, really love the pots that these have came in. This one I am absolutely obsessed with. And then this one, because that one I feel like it can be used like year round. You know, I love my little topiaries. And then this one is really still super cute for Christmas, but maybe in the next video, I'll show you guys how I'm going to style that for Christmas to kind of give you guys an idea. All right, you guys, that is it for today's video. I want to thank you guys so much for watching yet another video of mine, and I cannot wait to see you guys in the next one. Bye.